Taking up questions on area related to circle. To do so, let me just write down the first question on the screen. I'll write it here. It said Ashit builds a circular swimming pool of radius 5 meter inside a circular garden of radius 12 centimeter. In order to compensate the area covered due to the construction of the swimming pool, he extends the radius by r meter, keeping the garden still circular. Find the r. So if we draw the figure, let's see. It says first there is a swimming pool. So let me draw the swimming pool. Swimming pool looks blue. Let me just draw here some blue. This is the swimming pool. Around it, this is a circular garden of 12 centimeter. This has a radius of 5 centimeter. There will be a garden of 12 centimeters. So the garden is like this, and this is 12 centimeter, but it extended it and by r centimeters. So maybe I draw another circle, and this length by which it is increased, this length, it is of r centimeter. We have to find the length of this extension. To do so, if we can find this complete radius of the outer circle and subtract this 12 centimeters radius, which is this garden, then I can get the difference between this part. So that will give me the extension length, that is the r which is given. So to do so, let me start with writing it up. I'm assuming r1 to be the radius of the pool, that is 5 meter. I'm assuming r2 to be the radius of the garden. This is pool and this is garden, which is given by 12 meter. So the radius of the 12 meter garden will be this one. I mean, talking about the green one. Radius of the external circle r3 should be this 12 plus r. So r3 I'm writing for the blue circle radius, that is dark blue I mean. So it is 12 plus r meter, that is the extension. Okay. That means this area, because he is compensating the area for which he is constructing the pool, that means the area of the pool should be equal to this area for which it has extended, right? So the shaded area, wherein I have shaded it using pink, so the shaded area should be equal to the area of the pool. So what is the shaded area? The shaded area will be complete area of this blue circle minus area of the green circle. How do we find area of the blue circle? Area of blue circle is equal to pi r. For this r we have taken r3. So it is pi r3 square minus this green area, so it is pi r2 square, that is the shaded area. This is equal to area of the pool, which is given by r1, because we have taken pool's area r to be r1, which is given by 5. So this is actually our formula which will help us find r3. Let me take pi common. You will be left with r3 square minus r2. Oh, I have taken already a pi common, so I'll be left with only r2 square. This side here you have pi r1 square. So this pi would get cancelled. Now r3 square can be written as 12 plus r square minus this pi r2 is given to be 12 meters, so this is 12 square. This is equal to r1 square, that is 5 square. So let me open this. I'll be getting 144 plus 24r plus r square minus 144 is equal to 25. This and this. So r square plus 24r minus 25 is giving us a 0. So I just will be make a line here and continue solving on the other side. So if I open, I'm getting 20r square minus 25r plus, oh, I made a mistake, it should be plus 25r minus r is minus 25 equals 0. R is r plus 25 minus, if I take one r, I'll be left with, oh, how come I'm being left with I'm taking 1 common. I cannot take r common, I can take only 1 common, so I'll be left with r plus 25 equals 0. So the two factors I'm getting is r minus 1 and r plus 25. That is r equals 1 and r equals minus 25. So my negative radius is not possible. So r we are getting is equal to the radius they wanted, for which this has been extended. This length is actually for 1 meter. Hope you got this right. We followed it properly, and I move on to another question, a simple one though, in comparison to the previous one, obviously. Let me just draw the whatever is given in the question. I need a circle, not a line. Now I need a line to draw, so I'll just read the question once I have drawn the figure, though this is not accurately drawn, because I'm going to say that this is a rhombus. Might not look like complete accurate, though I tried my best. This is the figure given. Along this figure, the question reads as PQR is a rhombus, 3 of whose vertices lie on a circle that is quite visible, which is centered given as O. If the area of the of the rhombus, where did I? The rhombus is 32 root 3. 32 root 3 centimeters square. Find the radius of the circle. Find the radius of the circle. Now I just discuss it before writing it. Let me just discuss, as because it is a rhombus, obviously all the sides OP, PQ, QR, R, O, they will all be equal. So I'm just joining OQ. Now once I join OQ, that also becomes the radius of the circle. That makes it equal to OP, OQ, QR, PQ as well. Now this OPQ has become an equilateral triangle along with this OQR. The question says area of, I need a thinner line, area of PQO. How can we find area of PQO? If this is a rhombus, these two are equilateral triangle, that means half of the area of rhombus will be equal to the area of PQR. It's half of the area given by OPQR. Now this is an equilateral triangle. I told you how. How do we find area of an equilateral triangle? It is root 3 by 4 into side square. And this is already given to be 32 root 3. So now I think this root 3 can get cancelled, and this side square, let me write it as S square, is equal to 4. This is 16. So 16 into 4, that's 64 centimeter root over. So that's giving us 8 centimeter. So the radius of this circle is 8 centimeter. Thanks.